Listen, you guys, I was going to make this quick video because I was on Amazon and I seen that they have this exact car seat that I love so much on sale for Cyber Monday. And I just wanted to share with you guys how cool it is. So Asher is 8 months old and we just upgraded from his infant seat to this one. So this is the Graco Revolve 360 Slim. It's really skinny, so like if you don't have the captain's chairs and you need it to fit in there, it's the slim version, so you can fit multiple car seats together. So if you have like a car or just the back seat of an SUV or something like that, you can fit more car seats in it. But the coolest thing about this is you do not have to take these straps out to adjust them. Let me pull my seat up real quick so that way I can show you. Literally, it has this handle right here that adjusts the straps for you. I mean, there's no fighting with straps. And then same thing with this down here. You don't have to fight to adjust it either. You don't have to pull it out. You just kind of like do this up under this little seat right here. And it just has like a little hole that you kind of like slip it through to move it up to the next one. Super simple. It was the devil to figure out, but now that I know it, it's like 10 times easier to use. But my favorite part about the whole thing is that is the one that spins, but look how easy it is. So when I have Asher in my hands and I can't fit him in the car, you know, like this, because then you're going to like bump his head up here or, you know, do something dumb that we don't want to do to our kids. I have him in my hands and you literally can just grab this and spin it. Look how easy that is. Then you can just sit them right in. How perfect is that? And then when you're done, you get the little babes locked in. You just lift it right back up and lock it right back into place. Like, it does not get any better than this seat. And not only that, look how squishy and cute. Okay, and it's so comfy. It's got these amazing straps that come with it that keep this off their neck. Like, this thing is great, you guys. You have to get it. I'm going to post a link in the comments because I paid almost $400 for this seat. And Amazon has a Cyber Monday sale that if you get the black version, you can get it for $244. So you guys really need to check the seat out because it is just, I mean, come on. And not only that, but it spins when they're in there too. So like if you want to get them out, baby, just pop that seat right there. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. One more time. Oh, and did I tell you? Look, it goes the other way. So you put them on the other side. I mean, like really? In, out, walk. Okay, cool.